Experiencing issues with your FaceTime camera not working can be frustrating, especially when you want to connect with others visually. This problem may arise due to software glitches, hardware issues, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to get your FaceTime camera working properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check camera access for FaceTime. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Camera. Ensure that the toggle for FaceTime is turned on. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to view the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down. Tap FaceTime. Turn off FaceTime for about 10 seconds. Now turn it back on. After that, restart your iPhone. Now again, reopen FaceTime and check if the camera is functioning. Solution 3. Turn off camera restriction for FaceTime. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Tap on Allowed Apps. Ensure that FaceTime and messages are toggled on. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, but won't erase your data. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the FaceTime camera not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.